Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia, near Metro Atlanta. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about this new feature that is in the Banking Center in QuickBooks Online. I've seen it for a little while, but this is the first chance I've really had to explore it. And so anyway, now that I've said explore, that's basically what this button is called. It's called the Explore button. Now, as you can see, I'm in the Kathy's bookkeeping test file here. And so I'm in the banking area. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this Explore button. And then a window is going to pop open. And this basically kind of gives you an overview of what this feature is all about. Basically, you read through and you say that it's talking about automating bookkeeping with QuickBooks AI. You can open a transaction below to see the recommendations in this panel on how to automate those particular transactions if you need help in trying to figure out how to be more efficient in getting your stuff into QuickBooks Online from the Banking Center. And then there's a note here saying check this space for suggestions that can save you time by accurately automating your bookkeeping. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out and let's try this. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and click on a link here for, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and click on this link for Hyatt Place, and I'll scroll down a little bit, and well, actually I can't scroll down a little bit because then I won't be able to see the Explore button. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up and click on the Explore button with that transaction open. And so look, it is showing the date of the transaction, the name of the payee, and then the amount, and then it's showing that we have two suggestions. And so basically what they're doing here is that they're suggesting or confirming the suggestion that's already in there, that they suggested travel lodging for Hyatt based on how I and other business categories do the similar transactions. So it's basically confirming that. And then it's also confirming the suggested payee to help me keep more accurate records, and they suggest the category that I'm using. And just so y'all know, and I've talked about this in other videos I do, a lot of the one-offs or numerous different vendors in the same category, I like to create generic vendors for those. And I'll try to do an update on a video talking about why I do that. So anyway, that's confirming all of that. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And let's click on one more, Buc-ee's. Okay, and some of y'all know what a Buc-ee's is. It's kind of like a cross between a Walmart and a 7-Eleven and Love's, basically. So I've opened that transaction, and we're going to go ahead and click on it. And there's no suggested vendor or customer in there. It came through without a payee. So basically what they're showing here is the date of the transaction and part of the description that shows up in the description area in the amount. And then their suggestions is that they're suggesting owners pay in personal expense based on how I've categorized other expenses. So for this particular transaction, that may or may not work, but since it's a test file, I'll probably use that, or I might switch it over to the fuel because I'm guessing that was a fuel purchase possibly. I don't really remember. I have to look at the receipt. But then it's also telling us to add a vendor or customer. So we need to go ahead and do that, and that will fix this transaction so that way it's ready for us to put in our records. So we can do that with each of these that we may have questions on how to categorize, and it's using the AI to pull that stuff in, so that way hopefully it'll help you expedite your entry of the stuff from the banking center and make sure everything is coded accurately as the way it should be. Just another tool in the Bank Feeds tool house there. So hopefully this will help you today. Y'all take care and have a wonderful day, everyone. See you soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide, please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.